Here, to find an integrating factor for the non-exact differential equation by using of method 4 and method 5. First, you can take the given first order, first degree differential equation general form is mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. In this, the given equation is not a homogeneous, okay, it is not in homogeneous form, and it is not in the form of y f of xy dx plus xg of xy dy is equal to 0. And the first method is observe the given equation. We are finding an integrating factor by the inspection. It's not possible, then we can
Yeah,
check is it homogeneous or not.
homogeneous.
If it is not homogeneous, then we can go for the third method of the integrating factor. Is it in the form of y f of xy dx plus xg of xy dy equal to 0? If the given equations are not in these two forms, then we can go through the method 4 and either method 4 or method 5. So here both are interrelated. Here the function, how we are getting the single variable function means for exact differential, for exact condition of the differential equation, we can found dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x. After finding of dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x only, we can say that if both are equal, it is exact. If both are not equal, non-exact. When it is non-exact, just you can observe the difference of two terms. After the derivative, what we are getting the terms, one to another we can subtract, and the subtraction of, after the subtraction, what we are getting the function, that function is either related to n or m, either n or m. Just in the two terms, these two, the difference is just change of the sign only. Either you can take dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x, we get the positive function. In the difference of dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, we are getting negative function. But the function after the subtraction, we are getting same functions. That function is related to which one, either m or n. After taking some variable is taking common, if getting the cancellation, if we divide either m or n, when we divide either m or n, then that goes to single variable. That variable is which one? If we can divide with n function, then it goes to x variable. When we divide with n function, it goes to y variable. That is the change. Most of the students are confusing about the method 4 and method 5, where we are using, when we are using method 4 and method 5 means, just first we can check the relation exact or non-exact. After taking the difference, that function, difference function is suitable to either n or m. If it is m, you can take the relation dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. If the after subtracting getting the function is related to n, just you can take, if the dividing of n function means start with opposite m. If dividing with the m function means starting with the opposite n. That's the change. After division, we are getting only single variable, either f of x or g of y. In that, the integrating factor is exponential of integral. That variable is an integrating factor of the given first order, first degree non-exact differential equation. When you are getting clear idea about method 4, method 5, then easy to solve non-exact differential equations. Why? Because just you leave the method 1, that is the inspection method. Just you can go to the method 2 means homogeneous or not. Method 3 means is in the form of y f of xy dx plus xg of xy dy equal to 0. If both are not suitable, either method 4 or method 5. Just we can check what is the m function, what is the n function. And in that also I am giving clue, most of the problems which function has less terms, then that function is dividing after the difference of the partial derivative terms. That is the relation. I'm taking one problem. This problem is suitable to which method? Either 4 or 5. Just we can check that one. Here, the problem is 2xy dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 into dx equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Just the given equation is comparing with the general form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here, m is equal to minus of x square plus y square plus 1. N is equal to 2xy. M is differentiating with respect to y partially. Minus of x square is 0 plus 2y plus 0. It is equal to minus 2y. N is differentiating with respect to x. It is 2 into 1 into y is 2y. Clearly, it's not equal. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. Next, just you can take the difference. Difference means it's negative, it's positive. After taking difference, you are getting either positive or negative. But here you can observe 2xy is there. It is n function. It's 2xy, here x squared plus y squared plus 1. So it's suitable to n function only. So we can take 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Why? Because it is only y variable. After cancelling of the y variable, you are getting the x variable function. So it is equal to n is
Ma'am, can you just repeat the last point you made, like why we chose n?
Here, just here taking difference dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y is minus 2y minus dou n by dou x is 2y. We are getting minus 4y. Okay, this is the difference.
Yeah.
This difference is minus 4y. N has only single term. When we divide with the n function, we are getting x variable only after cancellation.
Okay.
Here the difference, here we are taking the differences, same difference only, dou m by dou y. That is minus 2y minus 2y. It is equal to 1 by 2xy into minus 4y. Y cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. It is equal to minus 2 by x. This is function of x. See here, suppose we are taking m in the denominator. It's no cancellation. So it is not suitable for method 5. It is suitable for method 2. It's the relation. That's only I said that the minimum terms in which function has, then that is most of the divisible function. So here 1 by, here an integrating factor equal to e power integral f of x dx. It is equal to e power integral minus 2 by x dx. It is equal to e power minus 2 log x. Equal to e power log x power minus 2. E log cancel, x power minus 2. This is equal to 1 by x square. So here integrating factor equal to 1 by x square. After finding an integrating factor, again equation 1 is multiplied with an integrating factor. for reduction of exact. So equation 1 is multiplying with an integrating factor, then it can be reduced to exact differential equation. The given equation is 2xy dy minus of x squared plus y squared plus 1 into dx by x squared equal to 0. 1x cancel. Here write separately 2y by x dy minus x squared by x squared, that is 1 plus y squared by x squared plus 1 by x squared into dx equal to 0. It is second equation. Here equation 2 is clearly an exact differential equation. It is comparing with m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here m1 is minus of 1 plus y squared by x squared plus 1 by x squared. N1 is 2y by x. The general solution of exact differential equation is integral over x m1 dx plus integral only y terms n1 dy equal to c. Here integral minus is right outside. 1 plus y squared by x squared plus 1 by x squared into dx plus no y terms, it is 0 equal to c. 1 dx is minus of x. Y square is a constant right outside. 1 by x square integration is minus 1 by x. 1 by x square integration is minus 1 by x is equal to c. From this, minus x plus y squared by x plus 1 by x equal to c. Taking the LCM, 1 plus y square minus x square equal to cx is the required general solution of equation 1. This is the procedure. Here, just we can observe which method is suitable for this problem. The given equation is comparing with mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Here m equal to xy square minus x square. N is equal to 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube. Here m is differentiating with respect to y. X, y square differentiation is 2y. This is equal to 2xy only. N is differentiating with respect to x. It is equal to 3 into 2x into y square plus 2xy minus 2 into 3x square. It is equal to 6xy square plus 2xy minus 6x square. Okay. Here just to observe this, it is clearly non-exact. Why? Because dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, equation 1 is non-exact differential equation. Next, we can take the difference. Why? Because it is not homogeneous and not in the other form of the y f of x y dx plus x. g of xy dy equal to 0. So we can take the difference. That difference is dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. It is equal to 2xy minus of 6xy square plus 2xy minus 6x square. It is equal to 2xy minus 6xy square minus 2xy plus 6x square. Plus minus cancel. Here in these two terms, just you can observe xy square. Yes, 6 is common. Then it is x square minus xy square. Here you can take, it is xy square minus x square is there. Here x square minus xy square. When it is divided with m function, then we can take the change. That is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y is equal to minus of 6 into x square minus xy square. It is equal to 6 into xy square minus x square. Multiply with negative. So it's clearly suitable to which integrating factor? Method 5 integrating factor.
Yeah, because it will cancel easily with the
M function. So
yes, ma'am.
1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. It is equal to 1 by xy square minus x square into 6 into xy square minus x square. These two are get cancelled, equal to f 6. Just here, if we are getting the constant, then it is suitable to which variable? That is also very important. M is related with the dx. So when we should divide with m means we are getting g of y. So it is clearly g of y. You should remember that. Opposite
Yes,
variable.
ma'am.
Divide with n, but n is actually with dy coefficient. So it is f of x. You should remember that one. In this case, the integrating factor equal to e power integral g of y dy. If you take it is constant with x variable, but you get the wrong answer. So e power integral 6 dy, it is equal to e power 6y. Then again, equation 1 is multiplying with an integrating factor. It is reduces to exact differential equation. So equation 1 is xy square minus x square into e power 6y dx plus 3x square y square plus x square y minus 2x cube into e power 6y dy equal to 0. It is second equation. It is comparing with n1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Again, we can go through the general solution of exact differential. The general solution of exact differential equation is integral over x and 1 dx plus integral only y term and 1 dy equal to c. Integral over x y square minus x square into e power 6y dx. Only y term, no y term. It's 0 equal to c. Y square e power 6y taking outside integral x dx minus e power 6y right outside x square dx equal to c. Y square e power 6y into x square by 2 minus e power 6y into x cube by 3 equal to 6. So e power 6y by 6 into LCM 3x square y square minus 2x cube equal to c. is the required general solution.
General solution.
Equation 1.
Understood.